How to fix Outlook login blocked for security. Whenever you are trying to sign in to your Outlook account, you're encountering an issue that says the login has been blocked for security. Well, there could be various reasons that this could be happening. The first is maybe your Outlook account is logged in on many devices. So first, try signing out of those devices. If you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings that is interfering with your Wi-Fi or your network, then in that case you might want to try to disable those VPN or private settings as well. Once you've ensured all of that, you also want to make sure that your email address and the password you use to sign into your Microsoft account is also correct. And in case you're not being able to sign in, you can also try to reset your existing password. So enter your email, click on the next option, and go about clicking on the forgot your password button and see if that helps you. Sometimes you can also try to use the same device where you use your Outlook account quite often. Microsoft might block the login if you're trying to log in from a fairly newer device. I hope one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.